Welcome to Chris T's Kitchen. Today we are making sage, onion and sausage meat stuffing. You will need 1 large onion, 25 grams of butter, 90 grams of breadcrumbs, 2 teaspoons of sage, 400 grams of sausage meat, and salt and pepper. Cooking method. Top, tail, cut in half and peel a large onion. Finely chop the onion. Add the butter to a frying pan. Add the onions to the pan. Fry for 5 minutes on medium-low heat. Tip the onions into a bowl. Add 90 grams of breadcrumbs. Add 2 teaspoons of sage. And season with salt and pepper. Stir. Add the sausage meat. Mix using your hand. Add grease-proof paper to a baking tray. Roll into 12 golf ball-sized balls. Add to a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for a fan oven and 200 degrees Celsius for a conventional oven. And cook for 30 minutes. My sage, onion and sausage meat stuffing.